Don't you just hate it when you're parked somewhere and there's a Tesla hater and they decide that they're gonna key your car, and now you've got this lovely scratch going through your paint, and it costs how much to go and get that fixed? Well, what if I told you there's an easier solution: to do it yourself at home? Now, you might be asking yourself, why did she just key her own car? Well, first of all, I'm wrapping it. So regardless, it's never going to show up. Second of all, I've got this paint pen, which I have tested on the vehicle already for some of the paint chips in the front bumper from rocks and things like that. Now, to use this product, you want to follow the instructions, shake it for a minute, and then once you're done, there's a pen inside to apply it. So, to get the best results, you're going to shake the pen and you're going to clean off excess just like you're doing your nails. And you're just going to follow the scratch. Now, anything that goes all the way down to bare metal is going to require a few extra coats to get it done. And when you want to make this look super professional, instead of just a cover up, you'll obviously need to do a clear coat to make it perfect. But if you're not looking for straight up perfection and you're just looking for something to cover the scratches, this is what you can use. All right, so after 2 coats in the areas that I keyed the deepest, this is what it looks like close up. It doesn't look perfect, right? Like, you can clearly see that I've covered it up. From further away, it's really not as noticeable. Is it a perfect 1-for-1 paint match? No, because I don't have the clear coat on top. This car has a clear coat on top of the paint, which is what makes it super shiny. If you want this to look better, you can 100% sand this down lightly so that it's level with the rest of the body of the car. And then there are also touch-up pens to do a clear coat on vehicles. So it's always an option if you want it to look better. I will 100% be sanding this down a little bit before I put the wrap on, so I'm not super worried about it. But that is the end of this video for this product. If you liked what this product can do for you, I will leave a link for it down in the description. And as always, we'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.